Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to share with you the steps that you will need in order to find your Payoneer IBAN number. It's not something difficult, so I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to show you directly the steps. And before to go ahead, I want to tell you to not panic or worry about this, because it's not difficult to do it. It's easy when it comes to the process of doing it. So let's go and let's get into the tutorial. So I'm going to open now the browser, and as you can see here from the custom support of Payoneer, they say that you need to sign in to Payoneer, then click on the Get Paid tab, and then choose Receiving Accounts, and click on the receiving account whose bank account details you need. So that's it guys, here where you can find your IBAN number. You're going to find it right in here in this page. So these are the steps. As I told you, it's not something complicated or you need a lot of things to do, like to go to this website, then come back or send email and wait. Like, you can do it instantly, so you can get your Payoneer IBAN number. So this was the video guys. I hope it was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.